Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to watch live basketball games using the NBA app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your device. In the search bar, type NBA and download the official NBA app if you haven't installed it already. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in to your NBA account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, go to the homepage or use the search feature to find your favorite team, player, or upcoming game. Select the game you want to watch. If live streaming is available and you have the required subscription, simply tap on the game to start watching live. The NBA app also allows you to check live scores, game schedules, highlights, standings, and the latest basketball news all in one place. And that's it. That's how you can watch live basketball games using the NBA app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more sports and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.